So this is a pretty little doggy car seat. However, this is incredibly flimsy. I mean, I cannot imagine that this would keep your dog safe. I just can't imagine. Like, it's so soft, like your dog is just gonna like pop right out of here. Anyways, it also does not fit a Tesla Model 3 in the front seat, so it's kind of weird because it's rectangular. So just in case anyone has a car like that, thought I should let you know. But yeah, this is really incredibly very flimsy. That's not acceptable. I've had dog car seats. This is not okay. This is going back. Yeah.
It goes home. It goes home. You glad to be back, Mayo? You're happy to be home?